Congratulations, ma'am.
It's great to listen. First of all, good evening to all. I would like to thank our principal sir and principal ma'am, Sandhi ma'am also, first of all.
Might be her voice. There's a problem. So I'm moving ahead. Next, we have Dr. Ritu Chauhan, who is the Vice President of Manipal Academy of Health and Education from Bangalore. Congratulations, ma'am. I guess ma'am is not here. So shall I move to the next list of awardee?
Can we move forward?
Okay, sir. Next is Ms. Leena Vig. She is the founder and the director of Explore Canvas, Lucknow. Congratulations, ma'am. Next, we have Ms. Chetna Mehrotra. She is the founder of the Rangbhoomi, Mumbai.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, namaste everybody. Good evening. Thank you everybody. Thank you Virdi ji for this honor. I am so glad that I was nominated and you're giving me this award because I work in the area of applied theatre and we work with children in school as a subject to teach theatre and subjects through theatre like physics, chemistry, social sciences. And I'm so glad that people like us at artists are so honored and welcome at these forums and the noise is made louder. And I wish that such forums happen more often so that we can create much wave and noise in the universes that we operate in, our beautiful spaces that we operate in. And I'm so glad to see Diala sir from Dehradun. I'm from CJM, Dehradun. So Dehradun rocks, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we have Ms. Rakhi Daima. She is a PRT from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Roorkee. Next is Ms. Panselvi, and she's a teacher from Theni Kamavar Sangam Public School, Chennai. I guess error is there. Pandeshwari. Next awardee is Ms. Sanjana Bakshi, that she is a principal from DAV Public School, New Delhi. Congratulations, ma'am. Next is Miss Babita Ahuja. She's a cultural coordinator from Skyward Seniors Secondary School, Roorkee. Next, we have Dr. Preeti Chitkara. She's the Manager in Institutional and International Affairs, KIET Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next awardee is Miss Rafat Nazir. She's a teacher in St. Mary's Academy, Meerut.
Hello everyone, good evening. My heartfelt thanks to Mr. Vedi for considering me, my profile for such a prestigious award. A very happy International Women's Day to all of you. In fact, I think each day is a Women's Day, and it's not about empowering a woman, it's just bringing about what she has in herself. So thank you, sir, for considering me for this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Next is Dr. Pooja Kaushik. She is a poet and educator from Amity International School, Pushp Vihar. Next, we have Ms. Swapna Nair. She's the principal from Arvachan International School, New Delhi.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you. I would like to thank GSOR Foundation and Mr. Vidhi for giving us this opportunity to come together. I'm so thankful to you. It's just one quote of Mother Teresa that inspires me and that talks everything about women, is that I alone cannot change the world, but I can definitely cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. So this holds true for all of us. All the best, and I wish all of you a happy Women's Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we have Miss Shanti Palachandar. She's the principal from Theni Kamavar Sangam Senior Secondary School, Chennai. Congratulations, ma'am.
Very happy evening to all and all present here. This is Women's Day. So happy Women's Day to all my women friends. Women work a lot, but they are hardly recognized. But I thank Mr. Supinder Singh for recognizing all the working women. Thank you once again. Thank you for your recognition. But women, they don't mind. It's not an issue for them, not recognition, because they are warriors rather than warriors. Thank you much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next is Ms. Jyotsana G. Sangalgudam. She is an academic advisor from Thane, Maharashtra.
A pleasant evening to one and all. I extend my gratitude to Virdi Sir, GSOR Foundation for recognizing my work on this great occasion. I would like to congratulate all the awardees. Happy Women's Day to all. Strong, compassionate, inspiring, empowering, and nurturing women present here. So be yourself today and always. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I request Richa Sood ma'am for a few words. I know you are giving us the time from your busy schedule, but we would like to listen you, ma'am. Few lines, ma'am. Thank you so much, Anjali. And again, I would say very, very good evening to India. As Virdi sir has gathered all the gems from all India, means across the India. So it's my pleasure. And thank you. And wow, I am so honored and so privileged to be sharing this afternoon with all of you and these incredibly amazing women who are honored today. I would like to extend my congratulations to each one of you. There are so many names, but I think everyone is gem and very precious that have been included in the impact report for Mata Surjit Kaur Virdi Samman Samaharo by G. Sur and Mr. S.S. Virdi. I would, first of all, my apologies because I was not settled before and I was walking when you were introducing me. And now I'm settled and I'm sitting in a restaurant. The thing is, I'm also chief guest here in Rohini, Delhi. One of the functions, especially for Women's Day, organized by DCP Pranab Tayalji with the police, and they're facilitating police females who have worked hard during the Corona time even. So I would say like it was my bad that I was not settled at that time. So all the winners, all the achievers, your achievements not just inspire me, but also so many others to work harder, to be better, and to make a dent wherever we can. So I'm very, very proud to be standing alongside of you. In life, there are moments when you stop, ask yourself, how did I get here? Why am I here? See, it's a big question for me too. Why am I here as a chief guest? This is definitely those moments for me. And I find myself going back to the beginning, back to my roots. I born to incredible parents, amazing parents. My mother served the community as an educationist, and my father served as doctor, and I was the last born. And that too, 10 years younger to my youngest brother in all three brothers. And far back, I remember I made my parents proud and happy 99% of the time. We all were given equal opportunity. I want to emphasize this for you that this was a big privilege, being equal without disparities. I grew up in a middle class family with extremely philanthropic parents, constantly reminded me that how lucky I was. My papa started small charity treatment to those who would not really afford it, and I was allocated with a job of assistant compounder, counting the medicines and distribution. But believe me, I took my job seriously and understood that charity for underprivileged. And then one incident, that moment shook me to my core. And I was completely blown when I got to know about some community mentation that girls are just child making machines and facing gender inequality since birth and even before birth, such as malnutrition, lack of education, sexual violence, and less job opportunities, that turned me into the determined social activist. And I started serving against such causes. And I tried to contribute, though it was in a very small way, but still, so little is done, so much is to do. There is a really, really beautiful quote I read recently, which is really appropriate to say here. The hands that rock the cradle, the procreator, the mentor of tomorrow, a mother shapes the destiny of civilization. Such is the tragic irony of fate that a beautiful creation, such as a girl, such as a girl child, is today one of the gravest concern facing humanity. So after reading this quote, I would say Happy Women's Day. Girls have the power to change the world. That is why I say female. Just divide this word into 2 syllables. That is Fe plus MALE, female. In chemistry, Fe is the sign of iron in periodic table. And I mean when Fe added in male becomes female. Just needed to be recognized, this iron element within you to be felt within you. So I would like to request to all empowered ones to be the voice of voiceless. And thank you so very much with my 2 lines, especially to G Sur, Virdi sir and all the team of Virdi sir. भावनाओं में हर ओर से, भावनाओं में हर ओर से, विचारों की हर डोर से, आज के इस अप्रतिम संध्या पर, आज की इस अप्रतिम संध्या पर, इस अप्रतिम सम्मान के लिए कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद है आप सभी का मेरे हृदय के हर छोर से. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing such valuable information with us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, moving ahead in our list of awardees, we have Ms. Anuradha Verma, the Platinum Advisor from Jammu. Congratulations, ma'am. Actually, due to some network issues, we could not hear you, Sonali Di, if you're here. So we would like to hear from you again.
Yes,
Yeah,
you.
she's here.
You.
But,
Hello.
I have to pay.
Yeah.
Kuch pay
Yeah,
karna
it's
hai audible. It is audible
yeah.
now, but I'll introduce you once more.
Sure.
We welcome Dr. Sonali Verma. And earlier also I said that she's very close to my heart as she was my senior. We did this schooling from the same school, that is Manad Public School. So we call ourselves as Manadians. So, and she was an inspiration for all of us at that time also and now also. She was good in every field, like whether you call it like studies, extracurricular activities, everywhere she was the star, and she is the star right now also. Like everywhere, like suppose if we talk about studies, so first name that come to everyone's mind is Sonali Verma. We talk about some competition, suppose it is a debate competition, writing competition, any competition, the name.
Anjali, nowadays
sir?
she is going to prepare, I think, an exhibition. Within
Oh.
2-3 days, within 2-3 days, इसकी कोई drawing ना, I mean to say artist है.
Yeah. Right now she's like she's
I
a
have
very
written
good
only
artist.
the one comment, that is a nishabd. Yes, continue please.
Yeah, she's a very good artist and like very, very good. Like your paintings are amazing. Dee. And she's rising with flying colors, and she's an MD in pediatrics and is presently practicing endocrinology in Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute, Lucknow. Now, Dee, we would like to listen you once again.
Yeah, actually, I'm really honored to be a part of this thing, and I really thank Sukhvinder sir for calling me here. I'm always a kid to you, sir. When you are formal with me, I really get so embarrassed that how can you even say Dr. Saab to me? Because
Dr.
you are
Sonali,
a mentor to me, and I know since, sir.
Dr. Sonali, हमारे
Yes,
साथ
sir.
ब्याला सर बैठे हैं. Always he called me Virdi Saab. आप ये समझ. So that is from upper side जो हम इससे सीख रहे हैं. Yes, please.
सर एक्चुअली ये तो मैं बिल्कुल आपसे तो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकती. आपसे हमने बहुत मैथ्स में एक बार 100 में 87 मार्क्स आ गए थे, तो 13 डंडे खाए थे आपसे. तो आई एक्चुअली कैन नॉट फॉरगेट माय मेंटरिंग जो आपसे मिली है हमें. एंड आई थिंक वो बचपन से ही जो मेंटरिंग आपसे मिली है, वहां से 2003 से जो कार्यक्रम शुरू हुआ था, उसी से आगे कुछ कर पाए हम लोग. So that I know since so many years, and इतनी बड़ी तो नहीं हुई कि कुछ बोलूं, कुछ इतना तो नहीं बोल पाऊंगी, but yes I will tell कि हाँ women empowerment होना चाहिए. हम जहाँ जिस प्लेस को मैं बिलोंग करती हूँ, शायद आपको पता है, अंजलि को पता है, एवरीबडी नोज कि वहां पर मतलब इफ यू आर अ गर्ल दैट मीन्स आप 20 इयर्स की हुए नहीं कि आपकी शादी की बातें होने लग जाएंगी, एंड यू कुड बी टोल्ड कि हाँ अब आगे नहीं पढ़ना है, मतलब क्या करोगे पढ़ के. एंड एक्चुअली मैंने अपने लिए खुद ये सुना हुआ है कि ये आगे पढ़ के क्या करेंगे. Whenever I leave, there is a lot of disturbance, I think.
Yes, Sonali, now continue.
Yeah. So I would just say that ki, sir, all this the women empowerment and bringing ahead women, it starts from your home itself, and first in the family itself. And बाहर बोलने से बेटर है अपनी फैमिली से ही स्टार्ट किया जाए. And first of all, though, I would really sometimes I think of myself and from the place where I belong, and I'm actually able to fulfill the dream of becoming a doctor and then getting into MD from a prestigious college in Delhi. So I believe कि अगर घर से ही सपोर्ट ना मिला होता, वो एम्पावरमेंट ना हुई होती, तो शायद वहां भी नहीं पहुंचते. So I will request everyone to just let the girls fly like anything, and because they have got power, they have got wings, and if they are actually able to do so much in their life, if they are actually given chance to do that. And I believe मुझे स्कूलिंग में मेंटरिंग सर आपकी उस प्लेस में, जिस प्लेस को मैं बिलोंग करती हूँ, रियली से कि वहां से एक बेटर प्लेस पे जाना is a big deal. It's really a big deal, because it is not at all that a place where you actually where being a girl you are given so much of liberty to go and to study for so many years continuously. And so I believe कि वो schooling, वो teachers आपसे आपके जो teachings थे sir, तो I believe कि उसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिलता था कि हाँ हम कुछ कर सकते हैं आगे. So thank you so much for actually giving those wings to us at that time, जब हमें पता भी नहीं था कि हम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ सकते हैं उस प्लेस से. So thank you so much for calling me today, and happy Women's Day to all of you. and just all the best.
Yes, Sonali, just a-
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Sonali.
Thank you so much.
Sir, thank you so much. Okay, sir. I'll be leaving now. I have to attend a call. So, sir, I'll be leaving now.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Now moving ahead with our with the list of our awardees, we have Miss Anuradha Verma, who is a platinum advisor in Jammu. Congratulations, ma'am. Next, we have Miss Manjulavani Shubhananda. She's the founder and principal of Preschool Bangalore.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to wish all the powerful women a very happy International Women's Day. And thank you so much for having me here. I would like to thank GSUR Academy, GSUR Foundation, and Virdi sir for considering my nomination. And I feel really honored to receive this award. Thank you so much. We all know women, Nari, is synonym with power. So what I believe is the power that we need not look for the power outside. We really have it inside. What makes the difference is we have to just connect to our power. So and bring out that power in the form of contribution to the society. And I know all the powerful women here, they have achieved so much in their life, and I wish let them achieve much more. And thank you so much. And I also congratulate all the awardees here. And thank you so much for having me here with this, sir. And my heartfelt gratitude to GSUR Foundation. Thank you, Anjali.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Our next awardee is Miss Ruchi Sharma. She is the principal from the Hazel Moon School, Chandpur. Congratulations, ma'am.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you so much to the entire crew of GSUR Foundation, and I am feeling so honored to receive this award. And thank you so much for giving me this platform also. And on this very important day of International Women's Day, I would like to say a few lines. खुद से ही जीतने की जिद है मेरी, मुझे खुद को ही हराना है। मैं भीड़ नहीं हूँ दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर एक जमाना है। सोती नहीं मैं रातों को, मुझे खुद को जगाना है। जलती नहीं मैं धूप से कभी, मुझे खुद को ही तपाना है। बनना है सोना मुझे, फिर क्यों आग से घबराना है। जो भी पत्थर फेंके मुझ पर, घर उनसे मुझे बनाना है। निकल चली हूँ अकेली मैं, मुझे अपना कारवां बनाना है। मैं भीड़ नहीं हूँ दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर एक जमाना है। Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me this honor.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing these lines with us. Our next awardee is Ms. Suchitra Agarwal. She is the principal of the Skyward Senior Secondary School, Roorkee. I guess ma'am is not here. So moving ahead. Next awardee is Miss Pratima Deshmukh. She is an educator from JSPM's Prodigy Public School, Pune.
Let's start.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Hello. Good evening to all. I hope all of you can listen to me.
And please be a bit loud.
Okay. Thank you. Good evening to all.
Good
I
evening,
feel
ma'am.
pleasure to be with you at the eve of this Women's International Day. So today, I would like to share few lines with us, with all of you, that we are the women with the book and pen. Okay, and these women has power to move the nations. We are the women that who has power, mind and voice. So these women has power to change the world. So I feel that we are the real reformers of the society. Many reformers, just one second. Okay. Then, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's audible.
Okay. I would like to say that teachers are backbone of the society. They are the real reformers of society. Our Indian reformers has devoted their entire life, day and night, to reform and to see this day that we are learned, the women with book and pen. And this is the day that responsibility comes on our own shoulders now to contribute for the downtrodden women in India. Okay, there are many dark places where we could not reach yet. Technology could not reach it, teachers could not reach it in India. So I think that reformation should be done there. And as a teacher, every day we are teaching, we are spending our hours with nearly 200 to 300 students who are teenagers, who are small children, and that is the real place of reformation, I think. So I conclude that literally we are the women of pain, with pen and book, who has power to move the nations. We are the women of mind and voice who has the power to change the words. And I will repeat the words of Bayala sir, that fire must keep burning. Fire must keep burning. Thank you, ma'am. I accept this award with great, very much humble. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Our next awardee is Dr. Sugandhi Narayan, Principal of Ekyatha Public School, Bangalore.
Thank you, Ms. Anjali, and good evening to all the people present here. And this is my third function that I'm attending for this day. I started with the launch of our NGO, which is for the empowering of the women. And second was I'm the treasurer, one of the EC member of the RWA, Residents Welfare Association of one place in Bangalore. And we had honored all the housekeeping people, the lady conductors, drivers, auto runners, and also the small entrepreneurs. And now I'm here, and I'm so happy. Thanks to Mr. Vurthy ji for this honor. And I remember one Mr. Vurthy, he was asking, why should we empower women? It's within ourselves. Yes, it is within ourselves, but it's very unfortunate that there are very remote area women. They don't know the rights of what they can do. I'm not talking about the rights, the Kanuni rights. I'm not talking about it. I'm not talking about the equality of men or women, nothing. A simple right that if she has a headache, to ask their house people, say, can you please make the tea yourself? I'm tired. She doesn't have that right. There are many women in this world, especially in India, if you see, There are many women who don't even know. They can say, no, I'm not eating well. Can you please do it? So this is the right that we have to empower them. That is what we are saying. It's not empowering. It's not that we give an additional power. The power that they have, as Viola sir said, yes, the fire needs to be, it is within ourselves. But how many of us know that? And one Miss Vimale Sharma, she said, rightly so that we have to teach them from the grassroots. Especially past 5-6 years, we are knowing a lot of cases of molestations the small kids. So immediately what we do, we immediately teach our girls, daughters, granddaughters, good touch, bad touch. Don't do this. You see, you have to be careful. Don't allow your uncles to come too close to you. But how many of us teach our boys respect women? We don't do it. We immediately go to the girls and we keep on training them, educating them. Don't do this, don't do this, don't stand there, don't talk to them. Laugh, smile slowly, don't talk to them. We be very careful. We immediately start educating the girls. How many of us are educating the boys? We don't do that. That is where we have to start. As ma'am said, that grassroots teaching, educating the boys is very, very, very important. So even if it is an International Women's Day, I definitely say that there are many men who take care of their family, who do a lot for them. They are having that motherhood in them. So anyone who has that motherhood, they also become the woman. Nari Shakti hai unke paas. So for everyone who is present here, be it male or woman, happy Women's Day to all of you. And respecting the fellow men is very much required, irrespective of whatever gender they belong to. And thank you so much for this platform and allowing me to speak.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, our guest of honor is there right now. She's Dr. Gagandeep Kaur Gulati, who is an associate professor at IITM. She's an educationalist, corporate trainer, author, and founder of the Weaving Dreams. She has been working in many fields in promoting the handcraft of Punjab, giving training to the students, organizing youth talks. She has received Leadership Excellence Award, Dr. Sarojini Naidu International Award for Women 2020, Citizen Journalist Award 2021, etc. Now we would like to facilitate you, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Anjali. You are being a great host for the day. Definitely. I congratulate you for that.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks to Vidhi sir, ma'am, and the complete team for inviting me here for the interaction with you all. Thanks to you all being here, for being great educators, for being great teachers. I've been listening. I've been sitting here throughout the session and listening to you all, what all good work that you are doing. And as sir just mentioned, that we have to walk an extra mile. We have to do something extra. We always need to do that because the teachers are the role models for sure. So whatever we do, the students, I'm really sure you are aware, the students watch us, they follow us, they definitely do what they try to imitate us, whatever we are doing. So we have to keep on doing something or the other all the time. Apart from teaching, definitely teaching itself is a big task. But certainly apart from that, and I was listening to the doctor, she is the student of Mr. Virdi, and the kind of regards she had for sir, and she again shared the example when she was given a big scolding for not memorizing the formula and all. And I really appreciate that, because the present generation does not really recognize the fact that even when we are scolding the children, it's for their betterment. And this, the present generation needs to be aware of. And I think even the parents have a big role to play in this. The parents also need to accept the fact that the teachers are the second parents for the children. Whatever they are doing, even the scoldings, that is for the benefit of the students only, of the children only. I would like to share here that apart from teaching for the past over 20 years, I am also, I've started with my own YouTube channel with the name Weaving Dreams. And in this 1 year, we have been able to organize over 300 talk shows, inviting various personalities from different fields. Most of them are educators, academicians, chancellors, directors, teachers, professors. And with due permission of Vidhi sir, and sir has also been on one of our talk shows as Edu Leader Talks. And I would like to invite you all. You can connect with Vidhi sir to come there on our channel. Weaving Dreams is the YouTube channel, and we stream live. We have various topics and themes wherein we talk, we discuss, and the students watch us. So definitely, for sure, we would love to have you all. Congratulating you all for being awarded such a prestigious award today. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, I again request Dr. H.C. Beala Sirji to please conclude the ceremony. Like, I know you you have to leave, but we would like to hear from you again.
See, I thought I have finished off my quota. Okay, but thank you once again calling me. See, if you have read, and even Premchand, people say Munshi Premchand, though Premchand is enough, has quoted one thing. He married for the second time with one of the lady who was basically who lost her husband. Because Premchand has written on all that, and he has mentioned very clearly, second time he married Shivrani. And he has mentioned whatsoever he could write, complete credit goes to Shivrani. Okay. So that kind of situation was there before also, now also. And right from day one, you will find this is there. We do interact with parents, good number of parents. And some of the difficult situations sometimes a teacher or a principal face. When parents sitting with you, you have called them because the child is not doing well. You want to discuss with them. And the tears in their eyes. Mother or father, they say helplessly, what can I do? He doesn't listen. He or she doesn't listen. That's the present situation. And we provide them every facility. So I think somewhere the important part is I also pass on this kind of message to my parents also. Number one, okay, you are providing all those facilities, it's okay. But what is important today, I think somewhere we lost that touch even, because both husband and wife are busy. They want to compensate with money, and which is becoming difficult. I pass on very clear message to the parents. Spend some of your quality time with your child. Must spend some quality time of yours with the child in the day. What is happening in the evening? Parents are busy. When they come back home, they are either busy by having some drink, or they are busy with their own serials, and child is getting ignored. If when they come back, whatsoever little time they have to spend that quality time with the child. If they will not spend quality time with the child, I can assure you, those children later, they say, the parents say, they don't listen us. Somewhere, I think we have to understand, and a big role of mother, because mother has a big impact on the child. So somewhere, I think that's one of the important part. I thought, let me just check. I have been a climber. So good number of peaks, even the boys and even girls have climbed with me. Yes, somebody said right from home that empowerment starts. You will be surprised. I was in Doon School for a very long time. And Doon School has a climbing tradition. I was a climber leading expeditions. And my daughter, she climbed with me and competing the Doon School boys. See, she has, every child, girl child even has the strength to compete. You have to give her a chance even. And again, something more there. Doon School is a boys' school. And girls, only the staff children, girl children can study. And that's a uniqueness of the individual. In 98, 99, she was the girl music captain, only one girl so far in Doon School history to be the girl music captain of the school. I think somewhere those initiatives, even the girls have also to be taken. That's also very, very important. And of course, we have also to empower that definitely there. Now, something more I want to just touch. Being a climber, till 83, I was with the Scindia School. And for the first time, Colonel Sandhu, who was principal at NIM, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi, he had come and he had shown slides and invited people to come into this outdoor world, or the climbing, or the trekking, adventure world. I still remember one of the boy, he questioned him from a distance. Mountains look dreadful, difficult to negotiate. And you know, the simple answer, what looks difficult from a distance, the moment you, number one, if you accept challenge and you go closer to, you have decided to take that challenge and you are going closer to that, whatsoever I say, take out that fear and start taking challenges, life will be very, very different. And this for everyone. The girls also, the boys also. My teacher in my time, when he had seen that, yes, I'm struggling to even for my education because of my financial problems. And one line he had given. And that's very, very important in life. Risk to lena hoga. Somewhere you have to take a risk. It may be a calculative risk. And if you are ahead in life, you are successful. I would like to just, some of the students were with me. And one student asked Bhupendranath Ashk, अच्छा कैसे लिखा जाता है? Now, see what he says. These great people, they say in a very different way. They change your attitude sometime. वो कहते हैं, मैं जब कभी कुछ लिखता हूं, मेज के ड्रॉर में डाल देता हूं. कुछ दिनों के बाद उसे देखता हूं, दोबारा मुझे लगता है कि इसमें परिवर्तन करने की जरूरत है, कुछ चेंजेस करने की जरूरत है. चेंजेस करता हूं मैं, फिर उसके ड्रॉर कुछ और बदलने की जरूरत है. इस तरह से 3-4 बार जब मैं अपनी उस रचना में से गुजर जाता हूं, तो मुझे लगता है कि अब इसे प्रकाशन के लिए दिया जाना चाहिए. Now, next line is very, very important, which he says. आज व्यक्ति के पास टाइम नहीं है. लेखक भी चाहता है कि इधर लिखे और इधर उसका प्रकाशन हो. हम जल्दबाजी करते हैं हर जगह जीवन में. आगे वो क्या कह रहे हैं, बर्तन को जितना मांझोगे वो उतना ही चमकेगा. It depends on you. You want to refine your things. You want to refine your style, your writings, your capabilities, your potentials. It's possible. So, ये रोल है गुरु का अपनी तरह का रोल है. मैं एक छोटी सी क्षणिका आपको गुरु से जुड़ी हुई सुना देता हूं, क्योंकि ज्यादातर गुरु ही हैं बैठे हुए यहाँ. गुरु क्या है? अद्भुत आचार्य. कुछ एक पंक्तियां हैं, मैंने अपनी बुक्स पास रख ली है, लिखने का शौक है इसलिए लिखता हूँ. और मैम ने अभी कहा वे भी चैनल चलाती हैं. मुझे भी बच्चों ने इन दिनों ये जो डिफिकल्ट टाइम था उसमें कहा कि आपको अपना चैनल शुरू करना चाहिए, और शुरू किया. बच्चों ने लगाया काम में, और अभी उसके कैलाश मानसरोवर यात्रा के 8 एपिसोड आए भी हैं. यदि बाई चांस आपको कोई देखना चाहे तो अच्छा भी लगेगा. इसमें अद्भुत आचार्य क्या कहता है? अद्भुत होता है आचार्य, लड़खड़ाते कदमों को ताल में बांधता. अद्भुत होता है आचार्य, लड़खड़ाते कदमों को ताल में बांधता, जो बुनता सपने ज्ञान विज्ञान के, सिखाता उत्तरोत्तर बढ़ते कदमों को एक सकारात्मक सोच, उपजाता विश्वास, आत्मविश्वास, कहता अपने शिष्य से उतार फेंको बंधनों को, जड़ताओं को, अंधकार को, नफरत को, और उतार लाओ इस पृथ्वी पर ज्योतिर्मय संसार. मुस्कान ही मुस्कान जहां चहु ओर, यानी जहां मुस्कान ही मुस्कान हो चहु ओर, यानी यह गुरु है. और बात क्योंकि महिला की भी हो रही है, माँ की वंदना भी है. माँ क्या है उसकी 2-1 पंक्तियां भी मैं जरूर चलते चलते, क्योंकि और तो कुछ है नहीं मेरे पास सब कहने के लिए. विरदी साहब ने पहले ही बुलवा लिया है वो सारा कुछ. माँ होती है, चाहे वह श्रद्धा है, यशोदा है, या फिर भगत सिंह की माँ. माँ होती है, चाहे वह श्रद्धा है, यशोदा है, या फिर भगत सिंह की माँ. ममतामयी वह अपनी छत्र छाया का, ममतामयी वह अपनी छत्र छाया का वितान इतना फैला देती है कि भयंकर टूटते हिमखंड, झाड़ झंखाड़ कुछ नहीं कर पाते उसके सामने. उसका छत्र इतना अभेद्य होता है कि बच्चे का स्नेह में संसार, उसकी सुरक्षा, उसका निर्भय विचरण, सब कुछ बरकरार रहता है. हमेशा माँ की तरह, हमेशा की तरह माँ के सामने. माँ, तुम तप्त गर्मी को, हाड़ मांस तक को कंपा देने वाली सर्दी को सहती हो चुपचाप, ताकि तुम्हारी संतान शीतल छाया में निडरता पूर्वक बुनती रहे हसीन रंगीन सपने, और उसका मोहक आकर्षक संसार उसका अपना हो. माँ, तुम वंदनीय हो, तुम्हें शत शत प्रणाम. मुझे लगता है आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. वंस अगेन greetings for International Women Day. Greetings and congratulations to each and everyone who had received this. Thank you to the organizers, Mr. Virdi, and you, the girl, you have conducted things very, very well. Thank you very, very much. And once again, enjoy the world, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, Pyala sir. I just
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
say something, sir. I did my post-graduation from Punjabi University, Patiala, and I have
Yes.
become a big fan of you because, of course, you are a gem. You are having pearl of knowledge and experience. Thank you so much for sharing your words of wisdom.
I was.
But sir, now onwards, you are a mentor to me. And I really appreciate, and
So-
I even feel I am a principal, but I always say that I am a teacher because I feel if I am teaching senior classes, I feel young. To teach young, you will remain young. And
Yes, I get
whenever
that.
I am there in the pre-primary wing, I feel that my childhood has become alive. I am still in my childhood days. So really feel proud to be a teacher. Sir, I want to tell you that I am working with a school that is running by Gurdwara management. And the students, the kids are from underprivileged society. They don't have fee to pay, but they have dreams in their eyes. So I want to
Definitely
fulfill
agreed.
those dreams. I want to give them exposure. I want to make them a good citizens, good human beings. And I really want to impart education in real means. And sir, I have learned a lot from you. Thank
No, no,
you
those,
so much
no,
for
no,
being here and giving
it's
us your
wonderful.
words.
No, no, it's wonderful listening you. Yes, sometime we take this kind of decision. I was also working with in Doon School till 2001. All of a sudden, good many opportunities are there. I also selected SOS, Harmon Minor School, Bhimtal as principal. But sometimes, what is happening, things may not be all that what you watch from a distance. Your experience. Thank you, ma'am, and wonderful listening you. And thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Our next awardee is Ms. Anju Amandeep Grover. She is the principal of Baba Banda
Navi
Singh
Bachchan.
Bahadur Memorial Secondary School, New Delhi. Congratulations, ma'am. And I would like to mention that I am also from the same institute. I did my post-graduation from Punjabi University, Patiala.
Oh, that's good. So you must be very much junior to me.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I did it in 2015.
Graduation in 2001, and I am scholarship holder of my that University of Zoology department. I did my
Oh.
MSc.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Virdi sir, for this Mata Surjit Kaur Samman. Thank you so much. Really honored to be among the galaxy of the intellectuals from the different walks of their life. And they really shared their experience. And we are, as the age is just a number, man should always a keen learner. And I have learned a lot. And it's a humble beginning from my side as a principal. So thank you so much for motivating me and encouraging me. And I will help in serving the society in real means and imparting education and knowledge. As everyone said कि आज वुमेन्स डे है, तो कहते हैं कि आज नारी का दिन है. कोई मुझे ये तो बताए ऐसा कौन सा दिन है जो नारी के बिन है. So every day, I mean, कोई ऐसा दिन नहीं. I don't imagine a day without my mother, without my daughter. So every day a woman should make every day a Women's Day. Thank you so much once again. It's been an honor to be here and the recipient of this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request Mr. Yashpal Sharma sir for a few words. Sir, kindly
Sir,
unmute
unmute.
yourself.
Sir, आपका mic mute है.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, he is the principal of Delhi Public School, Durg. He is a man of mathematics and he has an experience of 12 years as a principal and is a CBSE city coordinator, US Nagar. He's also worked with Army Public School for 14 years and he's also a member of the CBSE inspections and has conducted CBSE sports and cultural events at a large scale. So we would like to hear you.
Yeah, I've already spoken, I think once I've got a chance, and I would like to congratulate once again everyone. It's been an honor to be there with such learned people, and after a long time, you get certain opportunities of the kind wherein you have the people of the same field with you, those who've done remarkable job and those who've set a standard of the kind that you have to follow and somehow try and be the kind they are. Like Biala sir has completely made this evening a wonderful learning experience for every one of us. I have spent 4 years as principal in Army Public School, Clement Town, Dehradun. So did not get much of time to interact with Vyala sir that time, but it's been an honor, and even each and everyone whosoever has shared your experiences today. I think as an individual, I believe that I've become a little better individual today. A lot of learning has been there, and you learn every moment of your life. So I just wish to once again acknowledge the kind of effort which the organizers must have made for conducting this event and making it possible to somehow get people from all the areas, from all the states, and doing it in a very masterly manner. And such encouragements, they really motivate you to even do better in your life. So without much to be said, I think a wonderful evening it has been, and we look forward to have much more interactive sessions of this kind, so that we may learn and we may become a better human every time. Thank you so much, Virdi ji. Thank you so much, everyone. Good evening once again. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Our next awardee is Dr. Santi Balachandra. He is the principal of Theni Kamavar Sangam Senior Secondary School, Chennai. Congratulations, sir. Our next awardee is Dr. Shama Hussain. She is the chairman of the National Institute of Skills Training, Oman. Congratulations, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. Can you hear me? I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Virdi sir, and thank you for all the committee members. Thank you so much for choosing me, and it's a glad to receive this award from all of you. Myself, Dr. Shama Hussain from Muscat. I strictly believe in giving meaning to the life by having a purpose to the life. So the purpose is to empower as a leader to each and everyone that I'm in touch. So as a Women's Day, today I would like to congratulate each and every lady, each and every man as well, because men as a coach, as a father, as a brother, as a husband, as a friend, you people are empowering each and every lady and helping us believe that her success depends on her second letter, that is you. So you are emphasizing her to believe in her dreams. You are emphasizing her to believe in creating herself, which is the beautification of her life. So I remember Dr. Ambedkar's quote here. He has clearly narrated that I see the progress of the world with the progress of the women. As the women progresses, the world automatically progresses. Yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devataha. So, which we people holistically believe that, and transforming the world overnight for the women physically, mentally, psychologically, and removing all the hierarchical barriers. You people are empowering the women in all aspects. So as a mark of, I'm really happy. I'm really feeling privileged on this occasion of receiving this award and International Women's Day. And thank you for the whole committee for this utmost respect. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Our next awardee is Ms. Shalu Kheda. She's a PGT Physics from Sapphire International School, Faridabad. Next is Dr. Monica Kohli. She's a principal of Alpine Public School, Jhansi. Ms. Swarleen Kaur, she's the founder and the director of the Talk Room, Dehradun. Dr. Rama Mattu, she's the principal of the Army Public School, Mathura. I guess Monica Kohli, ma'am, she has joined. Congratulations, ma'am. Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
A very good evening to the land of intellectuals and all the elite members sitting there. First of all, happy Women's Day. I'm from Jhansi, the land of Virangana, and I believe all the ladies are Virangana there. Everybody is speaking it's Women's Day and women's do this and that. They're not getting this. But what I personally feel that behind every successful woman, there's a man. I must say there's a man who has organized this, Mr. Virdi sir. Thank you so much for providing us this platform and honoring us from every corner of India. You have taken the people, the best. And I'm really thankful to each and every person. Vyala sir, it was really listening to you, was really learning a lot. And I think this platform, sir, you said that you have been in Sandhya. Even I'm a Sandhyan. While you were there in boys, I was in the girls' school. My brother was studying over there. So it's really a pleasure. Thank you so much, Virdi sir. And thank you everyone present there. And Anjali, wonderful MOC from your side. And as Virdi sir, I've seen one of your students. She's a doctor. The way she was praising you, even my daughter is doing MBBS. So I was feeling like one day when she'll grow up, she'll also be there and sharing her knowledge. Thank you so much, everyone, for giving me this opportunity. Once again, thank you so much and good day.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next awardee is Dr. Rama Mattu. She is the principal of Army Public School, Mathura. Next is Miss Jaya Vidya. She is the coordinator in Theni Sangam Senior Secondary School, Chennai. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving this opportunity. I'm so happy and proud to receive this award. Thank you once again, ma'am. And happy Women's Day to all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Next is Miss Nidhi Malik. She is the principal of the GMS World School, Meerut. Miss Priyanka, she is the principal of the Vidya Nidhi High School, Mumbai. Next is Miss Poonam Thakur, principal of Jindal Vidya Mandir, Maharashtra.
विद्या मंदिर ये अलग है वो नहीं जो तुम सोच रही हो.
Next is Dr. Shilpi Singh Shekhawat. She is the principal of Shri Ramrik Das Podar Balika Vidya Mandir, Fatehpur. Dr. Snigdha, ophthalmologist from Government Medical College, Haldwani. Ms. Youth Jayalatsumi, Deputy Head, Dr. MGR, Educational and Research Institute, Chennai. Ms. Anurajshri Anand, she is as advisor in Zero Knowledge, Mumbai. Ms. Vaishali Yadav, she's a PGT in St. Mary's Senior Secondary School, Gadapur. Ms. Tanu Singh, Assistant Professor in Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Uttar Pradesh. Ms. Rekha Pandey, she's PGT in Monad Public School, Gadarpur. Ms. Manmeet Kaur, Assistant Professor in GNGI College, Rudrapur. Ms. Harpreet Kaur, Principal in Drone College of Pharmacy, Rudrapur. Ms. Amrit Kaur, former educator, Government School, Haldwani. Ms. Zarina Sultana, an Associate Professor and Soft Skills Trainer, ISL Engineering College, Hyderabad. Congratulations, ma'am. Ma'am, unmute yourself.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
This is Zarina Sultana. I'm working as an Associate Professor and Soft Skills Trainer at ISL Engineering College. I've been into teaching field for the past 30 years. Over 30, I started my teaching at a very young age of 21, 22, and almost for 30 years I'm in teaching field. what amazed me today is the way, Virdi sir from all corners of India, he collected the galaxy of intellectuals. Letter stating that to join this, to connect to so many galaxy of intellectuals from across India is simply amazing. I really thank GSUR and also Virdi sir and all of you associated with the GSUR Foundation. So, and on this Women's Day, I would like to congratulate and all the women out here, who have really made landmarks in their respective fields. So of late, I have started writing poetry also. During the pandemic times, I started writing poetry. And one such poetry, just give me only a minute and 20 seconds. I would like to dedicate it to all my teachers who had been teaching from kindergarten till the day I graduated my PhD. So I would like to dedicate this. Anjali ma'am, if given chance, I just want to recite
Surely,
one
ma'am.
poem.
Surely, ma'am. We would like to listen to this.
Yeah, this is, like my teacher, my treasure. On a cold winter morning, with great displeasure, I walked through the gullies with leisure. Right to my school, the storehouse of treasure. There stood my guru, my teacher, with a ledger, and marked me absent under pressure. She very well knew that I was a fresher and didn't know the rules altogether. A pioneer of excellence, my teacher is as soft as feather. All through my schooling, she never gave me reasons to tremor. My teacher, my second mother, you are such a trove of treasure. Your smiling face gave many a seizure. It's hard for us to find your successor who always had controlled blood pressure. We promise to be by your side forever, dear teacher, wishing you prosperity for your next assignment as a professor. With a heavy heart, we bid you adieu and au revoir, dear teacher, my treasure. So this particular, like I would really like to dedicate this particular poem to my teacher. Thank you so much. Thank you, Virdi sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I request Himani Katyat ma'am for few words. She's a member of the GSUR Foundation.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for such a wonderful opportunity. So first of all, happy International Women's Day is a day where everyone appreciates everything that the women in their lives do. It's a day when everyone acknowledges the value and importance of women and in their lives of women in the world is immense. Thank you so much. Only this much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Ms. Pandeshwari ma'am to share some few words with us.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I would like to share some words about women and decision making, ma'am. Okay, the women empowerment also means when the society will accept women as decision makers for the economical and financial decision of the family as well as country also. Then we shall encourage women from all the section of our society to make their own decision also. Then they need not to take permission from men, need to get equal rights. So we will get our success in future. Then thinking of society is also changing slowly. It's getting slowly changes. Then we look forward to such a nation. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much giving this opportunity to speak.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have
yes.
Ms. Niharika Sharma, Head of Product and Training, Good Luck Publishers. Ms. Ekta Bagadia, Managing Director from Hello Kids Champ. Dr. Suchita Gupta, she is the Principal of RM Public School, Jammu. Dr. Rohini, the Director Principal of Greenway School. Ms. Rajni Angrish, Deputy Director, CD University, Ludhiana. We have Dr. Preeti Chitkara, the Manager of Institutional and International Affairs, KIET Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad. Congratulations, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to Sukhvinder Singh Virdi sir for nominating me for this award. Such kind of appreciation is really mean to everyone actually. It's my very much pleasure to have this precious award on this special day of Women's Day. Thank you, and especially happy Women's Day to all. Thank you, Virdi sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We also have Dr. Suchita Gupta with us, who is the Principal of RM Public School, Jammu. Now, I would like to say a few lines. नारी हूं मैं, वो अबला वो बेचारी नहीं हूं मैं, तुम्हारे हर गुनाह पे भारी हूं मैं, नारी हूं मैं, दुर्गा का स्वरूप अग्नि की चिंगारी हूं मैं, नारी हूं मैं, मर्दों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चलने वाली हूं मैं, पहाड़ों पर चढ़ने वाली बचेंद्री पाल हूं मैं, आसमां में उड़ने वाली कल्पना हूं मैं, खेल के मैदान में हीमा और गीता हूं मैं, देश की रक्षा में खड़ी किरण बेदी हूं मैं, नारी हूं मैं, अध्यापक डॉक्टर वकील मंत्री हर क्षेत्र में लड़कों से भारी हूं मैं, नारी हूं मैं, नारी हूं मैं. With this, I would like to thank you all who has given their precious time and made this event a great success. Now, I would like to hand over the charges to our founder, Sir, Mr. S.S. Virdi, for concluding this event and for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Anjali. You have done very good job.
Sir, just thank you, sir. Sorry for interrupting you. I guess just wait. Although I have spoken all the names of the awardees, but
Anyone left, please share.
yeah, actually, I've spoken your name, ma'am. Ms. Raminder Pal Kaur. She is the principal of the Fathers International School, Ambala. I guess she has joined now. So congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Actually, I joined, but there was a technical problem, so I couldn't hear your voice.
Okay, okay. Sorry, ma'am.
First of all, thank you. Thank you to Vidhi sir for giving us such a good platform. There was a woman who was telling that she was born in a conventional family. So am I. I wanted to share 2 lines of Robert Frost. 2 roads diverge in a wood, and I chose the less traveled by. Actually, this makes all the difference. When girls are 26 or 27, they are having pressure that they have to get married. When I got married, I was 27. Yes, behind success of this woman, there's a man, and that's my husband. For 20 years, I completed my education and reached this point. I'm feeling very honored to associate with G sir and sir to recognize our talent, and happy Women's Day to all the ladies, and happy Women's Day to the men also, those who are part of our success story. So thank you, everyone. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I would like to hand over the charges to sir. Please, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
So firstly, I just quote a poem. It's by Jay Shankar Prasad. नारी तुम केवल श्रद्धा हो. क्या कहती हो ठहरो नारी, संकल्प अश्रु जल से अपने, तुम दान कर चुकी पहले ही जीवन के सोने से सपने. नारी तुम केवल श्रद्धा हो, विश्वास रजत नग पगतल में, पीयूष रोसी बहा करो, जीवन के सुंदर समतल में, देवों की विजय दानवों की हारों का होता युद्ध रहा, संघर्ष सदा उर अंतर में जीवित रह नित्य विरुद्ध रहा, आंसू से भीगे आंचल पर मन का सब कुछ रखना होगा, तुमको अपने स्मृत रेखा से यह संधि पत्र लिखना होगा. बिसाइड इट, मैं यहाँ पे कुछ और भी ऐड करना चाहूंगा. इट्स ओके, वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे, बट नारी सुरक्षा सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करते हैं. तो आई थिंक दोज पीपल्स आर associated with me on my Facebook page or any Instagram or any social media. One slogan is a very most popular, is like a Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. My personal views, it should be extended. Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, either the Beta Padhao, Beta Bachao, दोनों को होना चाहिए. एंड दोनों को ऐसे संस्कार दें कि परिवार बचाओ. आजकल परिवार टूट रहे हैं. अगर हम उन्हें जूही चावला के बारे में बताएं बच्चों को, तो क्या हम उन्हें कल्पना चावला के बारे में ना बताएं? नाना पाटेकर के बारे में तो पता है, मेघा पाटेकर के बारे में कितनों को पता है? तो वी शुड नॉट मूव ऑन द, जैसे कहते हैं ना, भेड़ चाल. आज बहुत से प्रोग्राम हो रहे हैं, बहुत से सम्मान के लिए जगह 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 चीजें हो रहे हैं. आज ही के दिन की मैं एक बहुत छोटी सी बात आपसे शेयर करता हूँ. जैसे कि हमारे बच्चे से, आई एम सो प्राउड कि आइदर द अंजलि, सोनाली एंड गुप्ती, मुझे तो बहुत, आई थिंक सो इन 2009 मैंने वो स्कूल से चला गया था. 12 साल हो गए. मुझे आज ऐसा लग रहा था कि अंजलि बिल्कुल पुराने समय में ले गए. वही एसेंस, वही सब, वही चीज. तो संजय सर मेरे जुड़े थे बीच में, बिकॉज ही हैज ऑपरेटेड ऑन द 1 मार्च, तो थोड़ी देर ही बैठ पाए. ये सब चीजें हमने उनसे सीखी हैं, सर ब्याला से सीखी हैं. हम ट्राई कर रहे थे कि वो कुछ बोलें, बट वो मेरे काफी आग्रह पर हार्डली आई थिंक 10 से 15 मिनट जुड़े. उस समय नेटवर्क इशू हो गया, फिर वो थोड़ा रेस्ट में ही है. नहीं तो आपको लगता, मैंने जो कुछ सीखा है, आइदर द ब्याला जी, हमारे यशपाल सर हैं, जब बातें होती हैं तो मोटिवेशनल बातें होती हैं, सिर्फ मोटिवेशन. नेगेटिविटी कहीं है ही नहीं. तो मेरा अपना सिर्फ एक सोचना या कहना है कि विमेन एम्पावरमेंट है, लोग अलाउ कर रहे हैं अपने बच्चों, बट हमें उनका माइंडसेट जरूर बदलना है. हम लोगों की अपने माइंडसेट की प्रॉब्लम है. हम खुद किसी से बात नहीं करते, और जो अपने मन में आता है खुद ही क्वेश्चन करके खुद ही आंसर ढूंढ देते हैं, और प्रिस्क्राइब होता है कि हाँ इसका आंसर ये रहा हो. इधर द विमेन और द मैन. दैट्स व्हाई ये सोशल मीडिया तो बात की बात है, रिश्ते टूट रहे हैं, परिवार टूट रहे हैं, समाज टूट रहा है. हम बच्चों को कुछ भी सिखाएं, जैसे कि अंजलि ने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि मैं एक ही कोट करता हूँ कि हमें साक्षर नहीं शिक्षित बनाना है. वी हैव टू डेवलप द एजुकेट पर्सन rather than the literate. आई थिंक सो कि हम लोगों के दादाजी हार्डली 12th पास थे, बट उन्हें सब पता था कि कब कहाँ कैसे किससे बात करनी है। Nowadays we forget all these things. Education तो टेक्नीशियंस बहुत अच्छी है, टेक्नोलॉजी सब है, आज हम दूर दूर बैठे हैं, बट जब हम पढ़ते थे तो एक ऐसे लिखा जाता था कि विज्ञान अभिशाप या वरदान। इट इज अ टॉपिक ऑफ द डिबेट, इधर द वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट और जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं, दोनों चीजें हैं, सब जगह हैं। हमें पॉजिटिव चीजों को लेकर आगे चलना चाहिए और सिर्फ क्योंकि एक सिंपल सी चीज है कि नेगेटिविटी तो हम यहाँ देखते हैं कि अगर एक मक्खी चाय में गिर जाए तो हम चाय फेंकते हैं, और वही मक्खी अगर घी में गिर जाए तो शायद हम चाय में घी नहीं फेंकते हैं। तो हमारा सोच क्या है, हम वहां पे भी तुलना कर लेते हैं। हम ईच एंड एवरीवेयर वी हैव जस्ट अ कंपेयर कि ये मेरे मतलब का है या नहीं है, उसी से रिश्ता रखें। तो किसी ने बोला था कि परिवार से ही चीजें स्टार्ट होती है, सोनाली ने आए थे, तो हम तो परिवार में माइंडसेट देते हैं कि भाई जो काम की ज्यादा चीज है, जो वैल्यूएबल है, जो कीमती है, उसके साथ रहना है। बहुत छोटी सी चीज है। अभी कल ही मैंने अंजलि से जब हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे इस प्रोग्राम के लिए, तो एक चीज हमने डिस्कस की थी माइंडसेट वाली बात पे। यदि मैं अपने बच्चों को बोलूं जो क्लास 11 12th में पढ़ रहे हों कि बाहर 4 लोग बैठे हैं, उसमें से जो जेंटलमैन दिखे उसको बुला लो, बट उन चारों में से एक ने धोती कुर्ता पहना है, एक ने पजामा कुर्ता पहना है, और एक ने शर्ट पैंट पहनी है बट शर्ट बाहर है, और एक ने कोट पैंट पहना है, तो बच्चे किसको बुला के लाएंगे? ऑब्वियसली कोट पैंट टाई सूट, बिकॉज हमने किंडरगार्टन सेक्शन में जी फॉर जेंटलमैन में वही पिक्चर लगाई। तो बच्चे के पिताजी जितने मर्जी सही हों, बट अगर वो धोती कुर्ता पहनते हैं तो वो जेंटलमैन है। हम अपनी एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में इन चीजों को इन्वॉल्व करते हैं। जाने अनजाने में हम वो चीजें बच्चों को दे देते हैं जो नहीं देते। मेरी समझ में आज तक नहीं आया कि हम ट्रैफिक रूल्स बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, जबकि बच्चा पहले दिन से अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ व्हीकल में जाता है। तो हमें क्यों पढ़ाना पड़ता है उन्हें कि सीट बेल्ट लगाओ, हेलमेट पहनो, मास्क लगाओ नया? तो ज़्यादा लंबा ना बोल के आई वुड लाइक से थैंक्स टू आवर चीफ गेस्ट गीता सूद मैम, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर्स गगन गुलाटी मैम, गगन शर्मा सर, नथानी सर, यशपाल जी and Dr. Vimlesh, and a special guest Dr. Gurpreet, Dr. Sonali and Dr. Dhingra। बहुत ही बिजी शेड्यूल में से ये लोग आए, और आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे, जो जीसुर के हमारे मेंटोर और सीनियर एडवाइजर डॉक्टर ब्याला जी, आई कॉल ओनली यस्टरडे कि सर आपने कल समय देना है और ऐसा ऐसा इवेंट। तो ही ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प, ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, आध्यात्मिक बहुत है, स्वस्थ इतने हैं कि कैलाश मानसरोवर कई बार गए, आई थिंक सो 3 times। So after that, the thanks to the technology department and all awardees, thanks and congratulations. You have given so much precious time. And the same, जैसे मैंने बोला कि डॉक्टर ब्याला जी से मैंने परसों फोन किया या कल किया, सेम अंजलि को मैंने आई थिंक परसों फोन किया है, अंजलि संडे। कि आपने इस प्रोग्राम के मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनी।
हाँ, बाकी रेस्ट तो हम लोग कल ही कुछ कर पाए थे, कल ही बस थोड़ा डिस्कशन कर पाए थे।
वेरी मतलब मुझे खुशी होती है कि इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम जो हमने इनको बचपन में सिखाया, अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्रेडिट लेता हूँ, विद इन अ डे she performed well.
all
I think
yours,
she performed
all
well,
yours.
and a huge clap for her.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Just given the rough material, कहते हैं ना कि raw material, and all she prepared like that. I think so कि कल से इन्होंने इसी पे टाइम लगाया होगा. So thank you so much, and also thanks you and your in-laws, Sir Ajit sir and ma'am also.
Thank you, sir.
Last, I think 8 February, no, 1st February, no, 9 February.
9 Feb.
9 February
yes.
she got married. तो अब ये ससुराल में है तो कुछ बंदिशें रहती हैं, जैसे आप लोग बातें कर रहे थे, फिर भी इन्होंने टाइम निकाला. तो थैंक्स टू ऑल. और यशपाल जी सर हमारे ताकि फिर दोबारा वापस आए मेरे आगे पर. तो आई थिंक सो कि आपके जो सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं रिस्पेक्टिव मेल्स पर पहुंच जाएंगे, बट इट्स गिवन अ टाइम बाय टुमारो इवनिंग, because our live show is also on 14th. It was a virtual, but in a Rudrapur, 14th March at 4 o'clock evening time. Because on the 14th is that because I lost my mother on 14th March. जिनके नाम से हमने किया है. तो जीसू जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि ज्ञान को उदय करके अपने विचारों को सृजनात्मकता के साथ बोधात्मक तरीके से आगे बढ़ना है. आई मीन टू से पर्सपेक्टिव पॉजिटिव सोचना है, एंड उस हिसाब से है हमारा मतलब प्रचुर मात्रा में बहुत अच्छे लोग आपको मिलेंगे. आज तो एक ही सेलिब्रिटीज के नाम पे थे, बाकी जो हमारे सर नथानी जी, यशपाल जी और थे. यू विल फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ गैलेक्सी देयर. तो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ेंगे धीरे धीरे. तो थैंक यू सो मच. लेट्स बी कंप्लीट. अंजलि,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
should we
So,
complete the meeting?
yes, sir. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you so much. Thank you so much, sir, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Begin meeting end.